Hello students, today I will give some introduction about your third chapter, that is Fiber to Fabric. Your third chapter name, Fiber to Fabric. So let's know the history of clothing material. Have you ever wondered what materials people used in ancient times for clothes? It appears that in those time the people used the bark and big leaves of the trees and animal skins and furs to cover their bodies themselves. Okay, so after people began to settle in agriculture communities, they learned to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets, vines, animal fleece or hair. They were used as to cover themselves. Okay, so the early Indians wore fabrics such as the plant, okay, flax plant fabrics in the river of Ganga. Same thing in ancient Egyptians. In ancient Egypt also, they also used cotton as well as the flax plant fiber fabrics used as their cloths in the river Nile. Okay, so in those days stitching was not known. Okay, they don't know how to switch, how to stitch the cloth or the fabrics. Okay, so people simply draped the fabrics around the different parts of their body. Okay, so many different ways of draping fabrics were used. Okay, so just as the large variety of food eaten all over the country, a large variety of exist of clothing and the fabrics also is there. Okay, so let us give some introduction of new words and what is the words means. Okay, so here there are variety of clothing materials or fabrics. Means here variety of fabrics means cotton. Suppose if you went any cloth shop, they will show you this is the cotton dress material, this is cotton saree, this is cotton fabric, that is called a fabric. Means variety of material: cotton, silk, nylon, polyester. Okay, so that fabrics may be natural or synthetic. Natural means here coming from plants, the fabric is coming from plants. We are obtaining that particular fabric from plants, that is called a natural. Okay, such as coconut fabric or jute, cotton. These are synthetic fabric. Means synthetic materials means chemicals. By using chemicals we will obtain those fabrics such as nylon and polyesters. Okay, so fabrics are made from yarns. So what is the yarn? Yarn is a fabric. Suppose here this is the cotton. We will get cotton from cotton plant and we will separate this cotton from seeds. Cotton seed, that is called ginning process. After that we will make, this is called a fiber. Okay, so when we together this fiber will we will join and we will make a thread like structure, that is called a yarn. So what is the yarn? Fabrics are made from yarn, which in turn are made from fibers. So from fibers we will get yarns, from yarns we will get fabrics like cotton, like etc. So fibers are either natural or synthetic. Already I explained. Making yarn from fiber is called as spinning. So here what we fibers are giving yarns, from yarns we are getting fabrics. So this process of from yarns to fabrics is called a spinning process. Then fabric from yarn is made by weaving and knitting. So here how we will get a fabric? Through the knitting and weaving process. Weaving is nothing but with the help of hands we can do. Okay, so knitting is suppose for example sweater. Okay, we will knit this wool and we will make a sweater, that is called a knitting. I will explain detailed about what is the spinning process, what is the ginning process and what is the weaving and knitting process will takes place and plays an important role in the fabric to fiber process. I will explain in next class. This is about a brief introduction of new words and history of the clothing material. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.